Sabi nga ni Senator Pimentel, okay lang na madelay ng 1 month dahil may mga preparations like yung pag-update or pag-draft ng bagong rules of impeachment, pero yung 3.5 to 4 to 5 months
Hindi na
parang
forthwith.
hindi na forthwith daw yun. Again, yun daw yung
He has a
mandato.
point. He has a point. He has a point there. Again, if there is going to be a decision on forthwith, it has to be coming from the Supreme Court, whether through a petition for declaratory relief or mandamus. Pwede ba kami incompel sa mandamus? Hindi siguro. Co-equal branch. Di ba? But forthwith can be clarified. There will be voices aside from Senator Pimentel, perhaps, who will be explaining this coming from the members of the academe, law professors. Ako nagtuturo din ako ng constitutional law eh. I teach constitutional law in Cebu and Dumaguete, University of San Carlos. And New Era College of Law in Quezon City. So
Kung magkaroon ng clarification regarding forthwith ang SC, pwede na hong ma-compel ang Senate to act on it immediately.
siguro kung sabihin ng Supreme Court na forthwith should be immediate, there will be jurisdictional issues. So if it is done past the forthwith clause days, perhaps a matter can be raised that the impeachment court no longer has jurisdiction, because there is likewise a provision. Dapat di ko na sabihin to, hindi na.
Yes, sir. Legal opinion lang naman yan, sir.
Sir, may opinion naman na si
Parang,
SB.
I respect the opinion of SP.
and also the opinion of minority leader.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, but perhaps there's another tenet in the Constitution which should be read together with forthwith. And baka magalit na sa akin yung dalawa. And yung iba, siguro yung
Legal opinion lang naman, sir.
yung right to a speedy trial should be read together.
Okay. Mav and then Nympha. Mav.
Siguro, hindi sa akin galing yun, ha? Oh. Sa Constitution yun. Hindi, ibig sabihin,
Nasa Constitution.
ano naman to guilt or conviction or acquittal, gano'n. Pero tayo, kahit sinong tanongin dito, dapat na trial judge, impartial, fair, and objective. Impartial, fair, and objective. IFO. Hindi UFO. So, pero alam mo, yung impeachment ngayon, talaga nakaka-distract ito, ha? Ang daming pwedeng pag-usapan. Oo, nakaka-distract sa national consciousness. Kasi ang dami nating
Nada-divert yung
ang
attention.
dami nating problema, yung siling labuyo, 500 pesos. Ito pa yung problema natin, di ba? Tapos ngayon, tumaas pa ata ang presyo ng kuryente, Meralco, di ba?
Tataas.
Dito pa rin tayo sa ang dami nating problema dapat kaharapin. Di
So,
ba?
nada-divert yung attention.
Oo.
Anyway, sir, si Mav and then Nympha. Mav.
Sir, sabi lang po kasi ni Justice Ascuna na kapag ka raw
Teacher
po...
ko yun.
Talaga, sir.
Oo.
Kapag ka daw po hindi nagsimula ngayong 19th Congress and you start the impeachment court ng 20th Congress, there might be some question kasi raw po yung mga nag-file na congressmen ngayon, baka hindi na sila yung nakaupo next Congress. Ergo, hindi na 1/3 yung nag-file na nakarating dito. Wala na yung 1/3 dun sa House of Representatives. So what's your opinion, sir?
Siguro you should ask Justice Adolph Ascuna. O yun, siya ang tanongin mo.
Hindi yun nga, sir, yung comment niya po. So, sir, do you share the same opinion po?
Sabi ko nga, ayoko magbigay ng opinion dito. Distraction eh.
Sir, wala eh.
Distraction.
Ano eh.
Yun ang flavor of the ano.
So, may
Oo.
point si
May
Ascuna,
point
sir.
siya. May point siya na whether it's the same Congress who started, who initiated, should likewise finish the impeachment proceedings. So it's not the 20th Congress, but still the 19th Congress. So siguro ang kay Ascuna, there is a constitutionally imposed timeline on when to initiate and conclude a case. Baka yun yung kanya. Mahirap lang ipaliwanag, di ba? So, pag sinimulan mo ng 19th Congress should likewise finish it. Although there is another school of thought na continuing body raw yung, yung Congress, pwedeng ituloy na sila yung mag-decide. Again, this should all be read together, kasama si Forthwith.
Pero pwede yun, sir, ma-incorporate doon sa impeachment rules na ibinadrap ngayon?
That,
Yung continuing, yung pwedeng carry over hanggang 20th o hindi? Pwede bang maging part yun ng impeachment
baka yung iba
rules?
sabihin naman ng iba, di ituloy na rin natin hanggang 21st Congress. So what is the constitutional when will the constitutional clock start ticking? Tick 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 tick
So,
tick
kailan
toll.
ba talaga, sir?
Ha?
Kailan? Kailan
Nasa
dapat?
constitution lahat yan eh.
Forthwith nga.
Yung upon filing, starts ticking upon referral.
So, pabor ko sir, na magkaroon ng special session para ma-discuss.
Sa akin nga, distraction eh.
Ayun.
Naniniwala pa rin ako dun sa sinabi ni Presidente na, alam niyo nung sinabi ni Presidente yon na ayaw niya ng impeachment, ako yung katabi, nagkataong katabi ako dun sa Lucena, tingnan niyo yung tape. Nasa Quezon kami, ako yung katabi na ayaw niya yung impeachment. So, personally, ako naniniwala din sa gano'n na distraction yon. And if you will recall, when that big rally for peace was conducted, I was the first one to arrive in the Quirino Grandstand.
Kaya lang, sir, the mere fact na na-file
Diba?
dito sa Senate yung articles of impeachment, wala kayong choice but to act on it.
Yeah, meron constitutional duty. You know, the Constitution will always have a time limit. When the Constitution speaks of a deadline, there is a deadline. Like for instance, if you file an impeachment case, you cannot file another impeachment case within 1 year. May time limit siya eh. Di ba? And then when the Constitution speaks of the start, 1/3 referral sign, while the Constitution does not speak of an end, this should always be read together because impeachment is a political process.
Yeah.
Political process yan eh. The guilt or the conviction or acquittal would not necessarily impose a penalty that would deprive one of liberty. What will happen is that you will be removed from office or suffer from perpetual disqualification. So the guilt or the conviction would be done in another proceeding. A criminal case can be filed. So iba yung impeachment proceeding. Mahirap. Mahirap.
May follow-up ka pa?
Rules.
Okay. Okay, Nympha.
Nimpa.
Sir, pwede ba talagang tumawid sa next Congress yung impeachment trial?
Yun ang talagang yun ang talagang malalim na
Question.
usapin kasi pwede ka lang ma-impeach sa saligang batas. Yun ang binanggit ko nga, no impeachment proceedings shall be initiated against the same official more than once within a period of 1 year. So, ibig sabihin, sa isang kongreso, 3 beses ka lang pwede ma-impeach. Di ba? 3. So, mid-deadline eh. So, tama rin yung point ni Justice Ascuna na baka pag sinabi mong hindi pwedeng tumawid, walang jurisdiction.
Yes, sir.
Walang jurisdiction. So, siguro ang mag-raise na niyan kung sino mang magagaling na abogado na hindi ako.
So sir, sino
Hindi ako, I don't want to prejudge the ano, sa akin nga, distraction eh.
So, sir, sino magde-decide? When do we know kung pwede itong tumawid o hindi sa next Congress? Kailangan may ano muna, sir, petition sa Supreme Court? Or can the Senate decide on
Pwede
your
kami,
own
pwede kami,
until stopped by the Supreme Court, sir?
pwede rin i-clarify ng Supreme Court yung word na forthwith, kung sino magsasampa niyan. An ordinary taxpayer can do that. But pero alam nyo, bago, isipin nyo ganito, an impeachment case is not appealable. Not even to the Supreme Court. So,
Final
walang
din.
pakialam sila dyan. But the process itself, especially when it involves some individual freedoms, due process, can reach the Supreme Court, the High Tribunal. So, hindi natin alam kung sinong gagawa niyan. I'm not advising, kasabi ko nga, distraction eh.
Pero sir, sa ngayon, hindi pa siya mapafile sa Supreme Court para hingan ng clarification only until you convened as impeachment court?
Pwede ngayon.
Tumawid na ng-
Pwede na.
Pwede na rin.
Pwede na ngayon.
Pwede
sir.
na, oh. Pwede na. Pwede na.
Kasi na-file na.
Yes. At saka,
May
yung
jurisdiction
gumalaw
kasi.
na yung, kailan ba final dito?
Last day.
Ha?
February 6? 5.
5 o ano na ngayon? Ano na ngayon? 12 o ano pala 7 days eh. So ano pa, hindi pa masyadong ripe for adjudication to clarify the word forthwith. So siguro pag tumagal na ng isang buwan, o kailan ba yung forthwith? Ganun. Ayoko mag-advise ng ganun. Kasi judge ako eh.
Okay. Sige ko.
So sir, yung procedure sir, kasi sabi po ni Senate President,
Senator?
Senate President Chi, sir,
Yes.
na pagbalik ninyo, rules kagad for approval na supposedly kasi ngayon po meron ng nag-drafting na, nagbibigyan na rin ng senators for you to consult or mag-recommend din kayo. So sir, kailan po mangyayari yung hihingan si Vice President ng answer? And kailan yung
Pag
filing ng mga
na-convene na yung
rejoinder?
Impeachment.
Pag
Court.
na-convene na yung court.
Aha. So,
Yung court. Kasi we have to take an oath or affirmation of neutrality. Ha? Di ba?
So, ibig sabihin, sir, dapat makita na namin kayo na naka-robe, mag-convene ng impeachment court, before
Court
mag-adjourn ng Senate para maging continuing body kayo as in an impeachment court.
Kung
talagang
susundin mo
tatawid
yung
next
kung
Congress.
susundin mo yung school of thought na continuing. Yun namang iba, hindi continuing. Hanggang yung kay Justice Ascuna. Hanggang 19th Congress lang ito. 19th Congress should decide. 19th Congress was the one who initiated and 19th Congress should decide.
Sir, clarification lang po. Ang sabi po ni Justice Ascuna, kung masimulan nyo sa 19, pwede siya tumawid sa 20.
Ayun. So
Pero kung hindi,
that's a hybrid
Opo.
version.
So, kung hindi nyo po masimulan ng 19, tapos kung 20th na yung mag-start, yun ang sabi niya.
Questionable. So sir, ano?
All of these are academic eh. All of these are academic. All of these are speculative. So we're now in the realm of a constitutional limbo, so to speak, until a final determination is made by the 19th Congress when to start, although we respect the decision of SP na after SONA kasi distraction nga ito, pero then again, yung kay Senator Pimentel ay dapat masunod yung forthwith, yung kay Justice Ascuna, yun
Dapat
lang
sa
yung
19.
pwedeng itawid. Pero meron din nagsasabi na hindi pwedeng itawid. Kasi 19th Congress lang yun. Di ba?
So lahat ng yan bagsak sa Korte Suprema, sir, yung ganong mga issues. Oo.
So sir, dapat po ba mag-caucus ang mga senador para mapag-usapan na ito?
Depends
ngayon
on
o hindi
the
pa?
Senate President. Ako sa rules lang ako, as the chairman of the Committee on Rules, handa naman tayong magtrabaho, pero yung pwede naman kami hearing eh. Pwede mag-hearing yung Committee on Rules. Di
Kasi
ba?
merong reson na
Yes,
during the
oho.
break.
So, paano ka naman mag-hearing? Nagsimula na kami ng campaign. Bukas nga, madaling araw, Iloilo na kami.
Mhm. Sir, yung NBI, nirecommend na sa DOJ yung pagpa-file ng kasong kriminal laban kay BP Sara dahil dun sa kanyang pagbabanta sa buhay nila PBBM. Yung ba may impact dito sa impeachment
No,
complaint?
that is separate from the impeachment case. In fact, any conviction, any acquittal will not implicate the provision on the principle of double jeopardy. Even if you're acquitted, a case can be filed against you. Even if you're convicted and removed from office, a criminal or civil case can be filed against you.
Pero sir, yung NBI na nag-recommend, pwede ba yung magamit
That
na
can
witness?
proceed separately. That
pero
depends on the impeachment court.
impeachment.
Yes, it depends on the impeachment court whether we will be using that documentary evidence or testimonial evidence gathered by the National Bureau of Investigation.
Mhm. Pero sir, dun sa nagiging development dito nga sa Asian impeachment, nakikita nyo ba na may posibilidad na masimulan yung trial under 19 Congress o slim na yung chance?
Ano ba ngayon? February, ano lang ngayon eh?
February 12.
Oo.
Mhm.
Maaga pa naman eh, di ba?
Mhm.
Maaga pa. Yung ERAP trial took 1 month.
Mhm.
Corona trial, 5 months. Di ba? So, maaga pa.
But the difference is, closing na kasi yung Congress eh.
Oo.
Yung ERAP trial and Corona trial, hindi pa,
Ano
hindi
pa?
ganun yung timelines sir.
Mhm.
So, we're in the midst of exciting days. And,
Sir, ano,
Okay, Raymond.
do you share the
Share what?
pronouncement of the Senate President?
That-
Yung may binanggit siya na once mag-start kayo sa June 2 na itackle yung rules, ituloy-tuloy na yung proceedings ng impeachment kahit pagpasok ng 20th Congress until ititigil lang yung proceedings kung merong TRO ang Supreme Court. Parang sagot niya doon sa pagtawid from the 19th to the 20th Congress. Ang kanyang paniniwala ay TRO lang from the Supreme Court ang pwede pumigil doon sa
Again, that will
proceedings.
be a question of jurisdiction. Whether the 20th Congress will have jurisdiction over a proceedings initiated by the 19th Congress. So, tama din yung pero bago siguro makarating doon yung forthwith muna
Mhm.
ang liwanagin.
Mhm.
Yun muna step by step.
Sir, may patanong si Camille Balagtas. Kahit daw si Justice Carpio support the view of SP Cheese that it can be done in the next Congress.
It can be done pero yung
Dapat masimulan.
yung sinabi, oo.
Dapat masimulan sa 19 Congress para pwedeng carry over sa 20th Congress, sir.
Ano rin yun, meron din magko-question nun,
Mhm.
meron din susuporta nun, meron din magko-question. So, hindi siguro ako yung tamang tao kasi na sumagot dyan kasi kasali ako dito sa
Maging impeachment
Oo.
judge. Mhm.
Yung sa akin, yung proseso lang at yung garantiya na impartial, fair, and objective,
Mhm.
yun lang siguro ang ma-assure natin.
And you will vote based on sa mga evidence na may pipresenta, sir?
Yes, oo. So, kasi, pero nag-aaral na ako eh. Nag-aaral na ako that impeachment is a solemn process.
Mhm.
Inaral ko na yung impeachment process ni Richard Milhouse Nixon. Inaral ko na rin yung alam mo, merong isang impeachment process nun kay Alexander Hamilton.
Mhm.
Inupuan na lang ng court, closed door. Closed door, hindi na tinuloy. Hindi na tinuloy yun. Tapos the following year, si Alexander Hamilton na-appoint pa na parang defense. Oo. So, ganon.
So, pwede rin yung
Inaral
mangyari,
ko yung
sir.
buhay ng tiga Columbia yun eh.
Pwede yung mangyari yun. Yung closed door.
Kasi yung kay Alexander Hamilton, inamin niya eh. Inamin niya yun eh. You read history.
Ano yung naging condition? Aminin mo na lang.
Read history. Ang mga kaharap niya noon, sino Thomas Jefferson. Mga ganun. Read your history.
Okay.
Paano tayo lalabas sa dilemma na to? Dun sa
Yun na nga eh.
issues? Paano?
Yan na nga eh. Masalimuot, emotional, malalim, divisive for the nation, detrimental to our progress, and can be miscapitalized in both ways, di ba? Parang wala tayong patutunguhan, di ba? Parang wala tayong ano, ang daming problema. Yun nga, siling labuyo, mahal ng presyo.
So better
Dito
na
pa
wag
tayo.
magkaroon ng impeachment. Kaso hindi na...
Ayaw naman ni Presidente nun eh.
kaso na-file na nga, sir. Hindi pwede ba yung upuan?
Oo.
Pwedeng upuan na lang yun, sir.
Pero naging highly partisan ng ano. Di ba? Kayo nga, hindi kayo move on dun sa, ano, laging yan ang tanong nyo.
Wala pa rin kasing sagot, sir, na malinaw eh.
Bakit hindi kayo maka-move on? 2 araw na lang, Valentine's Day na.
Magnininong daw kayo, sir, sa mass wedding. Anyway,
Oo.
may follow-up si Mav and then Ashley.
Sir, kapag ka po ba inayos nyo na yung impeachment rules and once you start taking yung mga judicial affidavit, pwede na bang sabihin na actually, nagsimula na yung impeachment process? Sinimula na ng 19th Congress yun. Pwede na yun sabihin, sir?
Technically.
Oh,
Once we convene the Committee on Rules and craft a new rules on impeachment, it can be part, but again, the impeachment starts with the reception and determination of what is contained in the articles of impeachment. The rules can be preparatory. The rules can be done even last month or last year, even without a case being filed. Kasi yung rules natin ay yung Resolution 39 ay circa 2011 pa yon.
Pero sir, kailangan nyo pa rin mag-convene as impeachment court ninyo. Nasa session hall dapat kayo. And
manunumpa.
utos na yung pagpapasubmit niya.
Manunumpa
Manunumpa
muna.
na kayo bago kayo, sir, humingi ng answer at mga rejoinder. Ano ba yun, sir?
The convening is a formal requirement. It starts with the oath or affirmation of the senator judges. That would mean that the trial now has commenced. So that is the time, you're correct, that is the time, you're correct, that we can now start the process. So the exact words would be, senators are first sworn to political neutrality, to exercise their duty without unfair discrimination and regardless of party affiliation or preference. So, yun na yung simula.
So that must happen, sir, within the 19th Congress. Yung manumpa kayo, magsuot kayo ng robe, sir.
Correct.
Must happen.
Correct.
Tama
Because
ba?
we will be ordering the panel of prosecutors to produce. We'll be ordering the accused to submit the list of blah blah blah, witnesses, names of counsels, etc. So ito na yung formal process nun.
Sir, pwedeng para napabuo namin, sir, yung sa inyo magaling, sir, na yung pagkukundi na sa impeachment court must happen within the 19th Congress.
Theoretically, that should be done. But I agree and respect the decision of SP that the trial should proceed after SONA kung yun yung gusto niya. Pero yung sinasabi ko ay baka meron ding various opinions coming from mga constitutionalists, perhaps even the side of the accused herself can raise an issue. Alam mo, minsan pwede kang tahimik lang eh. Alam niyo, noong pinailan si Alice Goo ng case sa Bamban, tahimik lang sila eh. Pero ako yung nag-raise ng issue na walang jurisdiction ng Bamban.
Tama.
Kung natandaan nyo. Sinabi ko, may jurisdiction is Valenzuela. Pero tahimik lang yung abogado ni Alice Goo eh. So, nalipat sa Valenzuela, nagka-concurrent jurisdiction ng Pasig kasi nag-file din sa Pasig. Pero kung natuloy sa Valenzuela, sa Bamban, dismiss yun. So, may strategy din yung sila eh. Kung tahimik ka lang gano'n. So, wala tayong ini-impute na gano'n, but everything would evolve.